Hi everyone, Professor Steam here. I'm going to do the unboxing of our latest subscription box for October 2022. We have something kind of fun. We decided for the Halloween box, we wanted to give you guys a chance to do a really fun steampunk costume. So we've included two really cool hat pins that we've developed, and I'm going to show you what you get. So as you open the box, as usual, you get a thank you letter, and we do thank you. Get the standard paperwork, look through that. It does have a link on here that shows you where to get the videos. And the first kit that we have, well, let me start further on here. We have a fun pen set that we've given you to decorate everything. Spare screws, wood to test your pens on, another bottle of glue, and some sheets of sandpaper. Make sure you sand all of the wood down. It's very important. So for our first kit that we have in here is our Countervision kit. It is this one right here. You can see the gears are quite fun on it, and it looks great on a hat. The next kit that we have is our Shipwreck pin kit. This is what the Shipwreck looks like, and it's a fun way to have Nautilus gears on your hat. And for those of you that have opted to get our bonus project, the bonus project this time is a really cool pin of a steampunk pumpkin, and the pumpkin has working gears on it. So that's all of the cool projects in your box. Hopefully you enjoy them, and we'll see you later. Thanks.